Welcome back to the LeadQuizzes 3 Academy. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to make sure your quiz takers get the correct result that you created at the end of the quiz. In order to ensure that they get the correct result, you need to tell the software if somebody answers this question a particular way, give them a point towards this result. To do that, we're going to map our questions. Now you can only map text questions and image questions, and you're going to notice a little map icon next to those questions. Now, if that question helps to determine the outcome, go ahead and click on the little map and we'll be able to map it. If it doesn't matter what they answer for that question, it's not going to have any effect on the result that they should receive. You can leave it unmapped, but if you've created results, you want to make sure at least one of your questions has all of the answers mapped. So to do that, we're just going to click on this little map icon here. So I'm looking at question 3. I'm going to click on the little map. Once I do that, I'm going to see a pop-up here that says result mapping. Now I'm going to see all of my answers here on the left and my results on the right. All I have to do is take the answer on the left and drag it to the correct result on the right. Now you can have multiple answers to one result. You can also match an answer to multiple results as well. Now, if you match your answer up with multiple results and you only have one question mapped, then the quiz taker is going to get one of those two results at random. So I typically don't recommend you do that, but it can make sense if you have more questions. So based on doing this, if somebody clicks on the juice answer, they're going to get 1 point towards the style result 1. If they click on water or rosé, then they're going to get a point towards your style is classic. Now, in order to determine which results somebody is going to see, the software is going to look at all of the questions that you have mapped. So any question that is mapped to one of those results, it's going to look at all of the answers that the quiz taker gave, and the result that their answers matches with the most is the result that they are going to receive at the end. As I said, you can have as many results as you would like. Just make sure that you map them to your questions. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how we can customize the look and feel of your quiz in the design section of the Quiz Builder. I'll see you guys on the next video.